Let's show this graphic, and it's just amazing all you do. Increase their knowledge of their child's disability, improve their awareness of services available in the community that meet their child's special needs.
Absolutely.
Join a network of other parents that may have children with special needs. That's so important,
Absolutely.
like you said.
Connecting, and we learn from other people's perspective and what other parents have experienced. That's truly what guides your future.
You don't feel alone.
You don't feel alone.
Exactly. Learn more about the Individuals with Disabilities Education Act, which a lot of people don't know about. If we can get the last three, become more involved with their child's education in school, because it takes involvement and being together. Receive information on how to better provide a home environment that is conducive, of course, to learning and optimal
Absolutely.
Physical, social, and emotional and cognitive. That's really important.
Really important.
Because you got to bring it home too. Just like we all bring it home with the homework and the tutoring and helping our children there too as well.
Yeah, absolutely. Schools can't do it alone. They need the support of the families. And the last one that you mentioned, getting involved in the community, that is the greatest challenge. And that's what we have seen, that many of the families that get involved, regardless of the condition, they're there to just design something that's better for families that are being told today that their children are facing some type of special need.
I was reading here that Parent to Parent offers a lot of workshops. Can you tell us a little bit about these workshops?
Our workshops go from learning about your child's disability to learning about the laws, learning how to navigate the system, the educational system, learning about the laws and regulations that protect the education of children with disabilities within the school system and even in the private sector. For those families that are in the private sectors, there are many services that are provided after the children reach the age of majority. And if they're not involved, then they won't be able to access those services. Connecting families, helping families understand about how to plan for the future, financial support, who's gonna, how are we gonna prepare for college? There's so much more that we can dream big about for our kids.